Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed your 4th of July weekend. During the 4th of July sale, I picked up this bag, and this is the Dooney And Bourke Selleria bag. I think that's how you pronounce it. I looked online to see who else had a video up about it, and I seen a couple. But those colors were in tan, and I think they had one in Bordeaux. So this one is the oxblood, and I just got it today, so I'm just unboxing it or unwrapping it with y'all because I already took it out of the box. So this is how it looks. And now I'm gonna take it out. And to me, when I first seen it, I noticed that the color is more of a Bordeaux color, because the one in Bordeaux looks more like a black cherry. It looks more oxblood to me, and this one looks more Bordeaux, but this is the oxblood. So let me open it for y'all. And I don't have any jewelry or anything on because I was just in the house. But I did get my nails done. I don't really like this design. Let me take her out so you can see it. So I'm looking at the camera to see if it's picking up the color, and I think it's picking it up well, but it looks kind of more burgundy in person. So, and as I'm showing y'all, I'm just inspecting it. I'm just inspecting it to see if I see any. I do see some scratches, a scratch right here. Because I know they were saying, the people that bought this bag were saying that they had a lot of scratches. So I do see one scratch, but I think that'll rub out. So it does come with the luggage tag. And it has Dooney and Bourke right here. It is, like on the other videos I've seen, it's very structured. It's a structured bag, and it doesn't really, it's not flexible. So on the inside, it should be some, yeah, the zipper doesn't come all the way down. But it should be some straps in here. These are the straps. This is the inside. This is hard to open, but you can easily get like a little tablet in here, your wallets. It has that back zipper, then a big pocket in front of that, and then 2 pockets on this side. But I love this bag. It's so, I love the color. It's just like the Bordeaux in the small and large satchel. It looks just like that. Let's see. Yeah, see right here, you can't zip it all the way back. It has a little stopper right here that stops it from coming all the way down. On the other videos, I did see that part of the handle does detach, so you can take it off to make it shorter. And it has the gold hardware on here. So it does have feet on the bottom. But I don't see any problems with this bag. The only thing, like I said, I see like a couple of scratches, but I think I can rub those out. The sides are okay. And I think this was an old style because I haven't seen this style before. I've seen it, I think they have it, but it's not in the Florentine. And this is Florentine leather. They just do something to coat the Florentine so it could be, I guess so you could wear it out in the rain or it doesn't get messed up like the Florentine would. It does have the handles, and the handles, they don't drop all the way down, but that's not a problem for me. It has the whip stitching, and this is in the light color, almost like a off-white color, which adds character to the bag. But all in all, it's good. No scratches, no wear and tear on the bag. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. I was playing with the lighting, trying to see if I could get it to pick up the true color of the handbag. And I think that's pretty much the true color. But I did want to show y'all the inside of the bag. And this is the inside. And it's made out of, I need to look it up. I want to say cotton and twill, I think. But it's it has a light interior, like a cream color. And as all of the bags do, it has a little key holder right here. But I'm loving this bag already. I will wear this when fall comes around, because I feel like it's a fall bag. So I'm getting some bags for fall right now. And I wanted one more summer bag. So I will have some more unboxings coming. Now, as far as me taping, it's summertime now, so I want to spend time with my family. So I'm not sure how often I'll be taping, because I want to go a couple of vacations and just have time for myself and for my family. But when I do post, I will be putting the videos up. Hopefully y'all will continue to watch my videos. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay positive and stay unique. Happy 4th, everybody. These are the dozen 4th of July Krispy Kreme donuts, -1.
Oh, that's just a sparkle.
Oh. Yeah, one trick.
Oh, no, it ain't. Whoa, superhero. Superpower.
I like it now. Oh, wow. So pretty.
Oh, man. Hey, clap, hey, clap, hey, clap.
I like it.
That one don't make too much
Happy,
noise.
I like it.
Yay! You trying to run and miss it. Dang. Woo.